Hey there, this is Wendy. So excited you're here with me today. I have a clean and simple, okay, well, it's clean, maybe it's not so simple, card for you today featuring the Rainbows and Sunshine or Sunshine and Rainbow stamp set. And I actually threw in the magical stuff as well that I'll tell you about that in a minute. So, anyway, Sunshine and Rainbows. Here is the stamp set and the framelit set. The framelets cut out every single size of rainbow that you see here, along with all the other images that you saw on the screen. But the other cool thing it cuts out is the clouds, or cloud shape, I should say. So that's really fun. I thought the easiest way to do this was going to be to create stickers, basically. So I'm using the multi-purpose adhesive sheets from Stampin' Up, and I'm laying down my cardstock, Whisper White cardstock. And then I'm going to go around the edge and trim off all of that extra adhesive sheet that I don't need. And then I'm going to do all my stamping. So while I'm doing this, I wanted just to mention that all the supplies that you see in this video are listed in the description below. You can click on any of the links to purchase them in my online store. The reminder that I just want to make sure you know is that the celebration promotion is going on till March 31st. That is a promotion that Stampin' Up! Provides every year. You can get a free item for every $50 you spend from the celebration brochure. And you can also sign up to purchase the starter kit, and that is the best deal for your money. You pay you pay $99 plus tax. Shipping is completely free. You get 2 free stamp sets in addition to your kit. So really you're getting about $100 in free product, give or take a little bit there. And then you can choose whatever products you want after that and purchase at a discount. So becoming a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator is scary to some people because they think that it means they're going to have to do workshops or videos like I do or have classes, and you really don't have to do any of that. I would say that 85% of my team members are made up of people who just really enjoy being part of the community, stamping, and purchasing at a discount. I kind of compare it to having like a Costco membership or a Sam's Club membership where you purchase a membership to attend and then you get to shop there. And that's kind of the same principle here. You purchase the starter kit and then that gives you the right to purchase items at a discount. So your discount starting out is 20% off of everything that you order, and you make a 20% commission on anything you sell. So if you happen to have a friend or a family member that also likes to craft and they buy a thing or two here or there from you, you would earn 20% off of that as well. So that's my little plug for purchasing the starter kit because it really is the best deal for your money. I promise you, you're going to save way more money by doing that than by just making purchases directly from me. However, if you're not interested in purchasing the starter kit and you want to make purchases directly from me, I am always happy to have those. I was actually reading something the other day and I thought it was really funny. This gal, it was a blog post, and this gal was talking about her Etsy store and how she has friends and family who try to get her to make stuff for them for free and stuff like that. And she was kind of complaining in it and saying like, this is my living, this is how I feed my family, this is what I do, and people just don't get it. And I thought to myself, gosh, I can totally relate. I totally understand. Every YouTuber that's a card maker, every YouTuber actually out there is not guaranteed a dime for any of the work they put in. And it's a lot of work to create videos and shoot them and then make sure that they're clean and nice for you to view. And so I was thinking about it, and I was thinking how it really is true that it's part of my livelihood. I depend on my customers ordering from me in order to make ends meet and pay for extra things for my daughter, like piano lessons, basketball, different stuff like that. And so I'm just super thankful that I have customers that watch my videos and then purchase from me. So I thought I would just share that because sometimes I don't think I say that I'm thankful enough or talk about those things enough. I think sometimes it just can seem like I'm just this chick making cards and yay, it must be so much fun for me, which it is. I mean, it's really a dream job. I can't say otherwise. But at the same time, it is work. You know, those of us who run blogs and YouTube channels, we definitely are putting in the work to earn your business. So if you have a demonstrator out there that you love and adore, that you watch regularly, you know, it's always nice to let them know. I know my YouTube followers and my people that order from me always let me know how appreciative they are of my videos and my customer service and all of that. And I really, really, really appreciate it. Okay, so right here at this bottom piece, I'm doubling up my foam tape because I need to have this whole piece pop up. So I put a piece of foam tape on the top, which means it's going to pop up from that bottom cloud. And so I doubled it up there at the bottom. These cloud pieces were cut at 4 1/4. One of them was cut at 4 1/4 by 4, and the other one was cut at 4 1/4 by 3 1/2. Now, my other card that I made using this whole theme with a unicorn, I made the clouds closer together. But with this one, I felt like I needed to make the clouds further apart because I felt like that dragon was going to take up more space, and I didn't want him to completely cover up the top cloud, if that makes sense. I wanted him peeking out of the bottom cloud, but I still wanted you to be able to see the top cloud. So here is the beauty of the multi-purpose adhesive sheets. Because I've taken the time to put the adhesive sheets on the back of the paper before I stamped it and cut it, now I have stickers basically. And in this case, that works amazingly well because you can see how tiny and thin these rainbow pieces are, and it would be a nightmare to try to get them down using glue or any other adhesive. So this just works super, super well. Now I had a little bit of trouble squeezing my green rainbow piece in because I got those really too close together. That's really all that happened is not too close together. I got my foam tape too close to the top of my cloud, and so the green piece didn't want to poke down. So that was all right. It wasn't that big of a deal. Then I've got just regular adhesive here to put my cloud at the bottom of my rainbow, and regular adhesive to stick my sunshine back there behind my rainbow. And now I can add my dragon. So these little images were colored quite some time ago in a previous video. I will link to it. And I just did some Copic and Blends coloring in comparison. And this was the Copic marker colored dragon. And I grabbed him out of my drawer of die cuts that I haven't used and used him on this card. And I think he just is fabulous. So this would be a great card for a little boy or a little girl, really, either one. It's fun, it's unique, it's different. And then the unicorn, of course, I used on the other card, which I made prior to doing the video. Oftentimes I create an entire project before I ever show it to you. And that is because I'm not always sure if stuff's going to turn out the way I want it to. Like in my head, I think, okay, this is how this is going to come together. But then when I go to put it to paper, it doesn't always come out that way. So often I have 2 of everything that I've created, which is kind of a good thing because then I've got an extra sample or an extra card to give away. So in this case, I had made the unicorn first and kind of had an idea of how I wanted to put my sequins. So these are sparkling clear sequins from Pretty Pink Posh. I do occasionally use other products that are not Stampin' Up products, and this is one of them. The sparkling clear sequins I got hooked on from watching Laura Basson. I don't know if anybody's familiar with her, but she is incredible. And she uses these like on every single card practically. And so I just love them. I think they're so fun and they're very, I don't know, they're like timeless. They go with everything. They look good with everything and they're just fun. And I definitely felt like this card needed these sequins. Now in hindsight, I have to tell you a little story. I completely forgot about the little tiny epoxy embellishments that Stampin' Up is selling. And they are super, super cute, but I had them in a drawer and I completely forgot about them. And so I kind of wish I would have used them because they might have looked really cute on this as well. So there's both the cards side by side and I think they're delightful. I absolutely love them. If you want to see more videos from me, you can click on either one of the videos that you see here. Click on a little circle with my face in it to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I always appreciate a thumbs up on a video. Leave me a comment, request something you would like me to make, and I hope that you have an amazing day and it's very magical. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.